here we have two kind of imperfection. One, this black mark is because someone put here something what was wet, and the other one was because someone was trying to clean it too hard and remove the first coat of an oil. So we will handle this and this together. Okay, so now I will take the 120 sandpaper to remove this black mark and to make the smoother gradient from this mark to the rest of the countertop. What is important, you need to work along the grain, not across it. Not like that, but like that. In that way you will leave many marks which then will be very hard to remove. So as you can see, no black mark here, and the gradient from this white spot is now much smoother with the rest of the countertop. Cleaning it with wet clothes will allow us to find any imperfection in our work, and it will rise the grain. So now, after wet clothes, it is not smooth anymore, and we will need to sand it once again with the fine sandpaper. Now it is dry again, so we are ready to clean it once again, but now this time only with this fine sandpaper, just to make it smoother.